Online learning is the latest trend in the industry. It has become a popular way of learning skills that are not offered by traditional schools and colleges, and learning them at your own pace is the best way to touch up on a subject as you feel right. However, creating a course can be a hassle. If you are an educator, teacher, professor, or want people to learn a new skill from you, creating your online course and managing is hard work. Thanks to Teachable.com, it is not easy, but is it good? Let's find out in this review. Generally speaking, Teachable is a solid learning and teaching platform, especially for business owners and individuals who want to create their own courses and sell online. The interface is clean and minimal, and it is very easy for anyone to find your resources. But Teachable is not a LMS or learning management system that is geared towards your corporate learning needs. A learning management system of this nature is going to be costly, and Teachable is reasonable in terms of price and has features geared more towards course building and selling. Teachable shines in a different genre of learning, and that is video-driven content. It also adds simple yet effective garnishes like customizable sales, checkout, and thank you pages. It is also worth noting that Teachable is one of the biggest, if not the biggest player in its class of platforms. This is an important point given the large number of companies that have rushed in to try to sell online course platforms. A lot of them will be gone within a couple of years. I don't think Teachable will. In general, for anyone looking for a solid, straightforward platform to create and sell online courses, Teachable is a hard platform to beat. If I ended this review here, it wouldn't be fair to your people or the platform. So let's take a deeper look and see what else Teachable has to offer. While the interface from the perspective of someone who is offering a course, you have to rely on the website as your main first window, so you do have a range of options to configure the site where your course will be displayed, and the number of tools and customization options are enough to get started and live with for a while. You can control the theme to match your offerings, but even that will feel limiting after a while. Besides adding a logo, a background image, fonts and their colors, there is not much to do. With some time to go back and forth, you can make a good-looking site. No site can work without a domain, and a custom domain goes a long way when you have to scale in the future, or you have to do SEO of your content. By default, you get a subdomain that is followed by your school name, but you can add a custom domain if you choose of the Pro or Premium plans that they offer. Teachable comes preloaded with default navigation links and some stock web pages, but you have the ability to edit these. You can also easily add links to both the main navigation and the footer menus in Teachable. These can link to pages you create, and a very nice feature, you can easily control whether the navigation items are seen by logged in users, logged out users, or all users. But keep in mind that there are no drop-down menus, making it confusing and crowded, so make sure you go easy on that when you are just starting. You can add a blog within your Teachable site, which means you can market your course by sharing similar blog posts and sharing them on social media. That can help you get more traffic on your site. Now let's talk about the main purpose of Teachable: creating a course. In short, setting up a course is extremely easy and self-navigating. You can create sections or modules which contains classes, and you can use different names like lectures or classes as you see fit. Lectures can consist of multimedia files like video, audio, PDF, etc., text that you type directly into Teachable, quizzes, or any combination of these. There is also an add code option for lectures that you can use to embed live video streams or webinars directly into a lecture. Finally, there is a drip option that allows you to publish lectures over a period of time based on the number of days after your students enroll, but it requires basic plan or above. Teachable provides for simple multiple choice quizzing. You can indicate as many potential Teachable provides for simple multiple choices quizzing. You can indicate as many potential answers as you like for any question you create, and questions can have one or multiple correct answers. You also specify whether a quiz will be graded or not. If it is, then the scores will be viewable in the reporting area of Teachable. Teachable has good capabilities for creating a certificate that can be awarded upon completion of any course, but you have to have a professional plan or hire to access them. To create completion certificates, you can choose from 3 templates, or if you have the capabilities to do it, you can create a completely custom template using HTML and/or the Liquid coding language. These features make Teachable a great option for beginners to advanced level entrepreneurs who are looking for an organized option to create and sell sources from a one-stop shop. What platform do you recommend? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.